Greetings and salutations, everybody. This is DarkX1 here, bringing back another episode of RWS Customs, Volume 2. Sorry for being late on this one, but I was kind of tired, so sorry about that one, but I figure this will make it up to you, as we're going to be doing a double review, and who better to do for a double review than the twins? Donald and Douglas, or Donald and Dougie, as some people call them. Now, let's get into the basics here. Unlike how most people blankly say they are just normal 812s, they are technically 652 class numbers. While that isn't much of a difference, as they're both designed by the same person, John F. McIntosh, there is differences in the date they were produced, the numbers, and the builders. All of the 652s were built at St. Rollox. And since these two carry numbers that would have been on the very youngest 652s, we can only assume that they would have been built in St. Rollox 1909. So that's basically the headcanon here. And of course, with each story, some stuff gets pushed up, so these guys arrive way earlier. And, well, there ain't too much to go in on that. They just arrive earlier. Everything else happens as normal. And, you know, goes from there. Of course, these two aren't as they were when they first were built by me. Because when they were first built, their boilers were a lot more smaller and crooked. But since I rebuilt them, they not only have a stripe near their smoke box, but their boilers are more straightened out to line up with their cab. So, yeah. Other than that, small features are the little blocks representing radios. And, of course, safety valve features. Drew my best Caledonian cab. It'll likely be updated if I ever touch these two up again later. And, unsurprisingly, since these guys don't have permanent tender couplings, I had to put names on the bottom of them to tell them apart. You can see Douglas's name, Donald's name right back there. Now then, as we did last time, we're going to get into their shed mates, and sticking with the last time's formula, we're going to be looking first at Oliver. Obvious difference, but of course, bulkier tank engine, lankier tender engine, but stronger. Obvious. Next, the pannier tank. Again, difference is obvious. But then, let's also amp this up a bit. We'll put alongside a mainline engine, because these two are technically utility engines, meaning they go wherever they're needed, so they aren't technically allocated specifically to the Little Western. So yeah, definitely bigger. And amp this up again. Let's have these two next to an American design, because I just finished this one and I'm kind of wanting to show it off. Yep. American all the way. Massive